Hello and welcome to the studio. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has supported me throughout this really difficult year. It's not been much fun for anyone really, I don't think, and I'd like to wish you, your friends and family all the best for 2021. I want to give you a quick heads up. We have a promotion going on at the website at the moment, www.southcoaststudio.co.uk. It's 15% off all the courses, and there is also a giveaway for the first 5 people who sign up to the online courses. So please go and take a look, and if you're still not quite sure, you can have a look at the free trial videos. You can download them for free, and I think you should be able to find all the information that you need to make your mind up to see if one of these courses is right for you. So please take a look at the website. I'd like to wish you all a happy Christmas and a much better 2021. Thank you.